Hello and welcome back to Kids Mastermind. Now I'm going to show you how to find, organize and keep your work on Seesaw. I know many people have been finding it difficult saving their work on Seesaw, which is in fact a very simple thing to do. Okay, to start off, you need to get onto your Seesaw homepage. After you enter the text code correctly, you will be in your homepage or journal page. The journal page contains all the learning materials posted by your teacher for the entire class. You might be interested to keep some of these learning materials for your own learning and organize them for later use. So you need to know how to do that, right? To do that, first, locate the folder which is just opposite to your name. Here is a blue folder opposite to my name, DJ&RZ. This folder is created by the teacher for you and is the right place where you are going to keep all your learning materials for quick and easy access. Once you will find the folder, navigate your mouse and double click onto the folder icon. This will open up the folder for you. Then you look at the top of the open folder that says Select Folder on the top. This means you are expected to select the folder where you would like to keep or save or find the learning materials. Here are some of the folders available for you. Now, I would like to access the content in the folder name Our Pets. Here is the folder I'm looking for. So, just hover your mouse to select this folder and then double click. This will open this particular folder and all its contents there. And these items are individual works within Our Pets folder. You can see the directory or the location of the folder on the top. Now to close this particular folder, just locate the X button towards the top right corner of the folder area and then just click on it. This should close the folder for you and save the content automatically. Once you close the folder, it'll come back to the normal home screen of your journal page. You can log out of the account if you wish. If you would like to save the content from the journal page to the folder within your directory, just click onto the option button of the item, which has 3 dots in the right bottom corner. Then select the edit folder button. Then select the folder when you want to keep this material. Then you can also edit the content available in the journal page using the option and the edit option. Then save within your folder directory. However, please note that any edit must be approved by your teacher. Note that you are not expected to make your own folder as your teacher will make and approve all the folders for you. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below the YouTube video. And yes, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching my video.